All right, this is a lesson on I Love Rock and Roll by JOAN Jett and the Blackhearts. So we're going to start out with this riff here. Okay, so let's look at all what we got so far. So we got this power chord here. This is the E chord. We're going to have an A chord here. I like to do this A chord with just these top three strings. And the B chord you could use with this finger here. You can move this one up if you want, but it's kind of quicker to go back and forth if you can just do one finger chords on these. So that's the 3 4s on the top strings. You're trying to get your finger angled so you mute the bottom one because you don't want to hear that. Because you would have to do this whole thing here to get the proper note on the bottom. So if you can do these with one finger, it makes it a little bit more rock and roll and a little bit quicker and easier to get through the whole thing. So I would say definitely try to practice those and see if you can get that down. Because then you got this one power chord and you got these other 2 chords. That's pretty much it for your chords. And then we have a little riff down here. And that'll be little string open, and then 3 open, and then 2 open. You could also do it up here on the 12th fret. You could go 12, 10 to the 12, the 2nd string, and then 10 and 8 on the 2nd string. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning here. So we got, so we're hitting the 5th fret G note of that big string, the D string there. So we got chord, chord, and then chord, chord to that thing, and there's kind of like a chick bomb getting into it. So there's kind of a chick bomb. Or there's at least kind of a pause where you don't really hit it on a downbeat, you hit it kind of after. And then to the A, to the B, back to that note. Now this time we just go D, A, E, 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 and then we have the riff. Okay, so I'm gonna go one more time through here. Okay, then the verse starts. Riff. This time we're going to B. Riff. And then we're going to go A, B, E, and then hold the A. So that was 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 of these E's, and then hold the A chord. So A, B, E to A. Dun, 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 yeah. So she goes and sings for a while. And then it's going to come in with B, 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 and that's going to take us into the chorus. Now that one's not going to have that extra 3 that we had in the beginning. It's just going to have A, A, B, B. So the second time through, that's going to go A, B, B, E, E, and then the riff. Okay, and then we're going to have another verse. So we're going to have machine. And then we go B and then riff. A, B, E, hold the A. And then she sings for a while. And then you come back in with those, hitting those B chords. Back to the chorus. Now there is a solo in there also. So after the second chorus, we're going to have a little solo. It's going to go. So he starts with that. He has a couple little bends on that 4th fret. Back to the 2. And then he hits an E7 chord, which is 2, 1, and 3. So it's like. And then he comes up here. So we got this 9th to 11th fret on the big string. We got that 11 there. I'm going to slide that 11 to 13 and hit this little 12. So we're doing that slide up to that high note twice there. And then, so da 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 da. And then, has a little weird riff there. That's 9 to 11. 12 twice on the second string. So it ends up being. And then we start this little descending thing. Let's look at that solo again. So we got a descending thing, 9 to 8. Each one is like 3 notes and then a slide. To the 6, to the 4, to the 2. And then you can get to the 1. When you get to the 1, that's just a little thing I threw in there to kind of add in something. End on that A chord. So at that point, they get back into the chorus and they're just singing it and stuff like that. So let's take a look at everything again. We got the very first part comes in after a 3E and a 4E and on the drum. So it's like. So the very intro. Okay, so that very intro, remember, has that G thing twice in its riff. There it is again. B, E, wait, and then E again, and then your riff. Like I said, it could be 12, 12, 10, and 12, 10, 8. So here goes verse. Riff. This time we're going to B. Riff again. A, B, E. Hold an A, and she sings for a while. Then we're gonna have that chugging on the B, get into the chorus. No extra G on that one. So quick to the E on that, and then riff. New verse. Going to the B this time. The riff, then A, B, E, hold the A. So you're gonna sing for a while, and then you're gonna have a D chord, back to the chorus. So after that riff right there, that's when that solo is gonna start. So it's. And then, like I say, they get in the chorus, they're just singing it, they're not playing it. And then you got your, let's do the double choruses out where it kind of quickly repeats itself and that kind of fades out. Then there's one little octave thing at the end we'll look at, then we'll be all done. So we got a chorus. Starts over. So it keeps doing that. And at about that time, there's a little octave thing. So it's going to be 2 on the big string sliding in from the 1. And we're doing the octave of this, so it's like 2 and 5 on the second string. So we'll slide both of those in. You want to mute the other strings, so be touching those other strings a bit. That's kind of what's going on, is that layered guitar towards the outro of that. And at the end, you just got like a E power chord there at the end. Okay, I Love Rock and Roll by JOAN Jett. Hope you dug that. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.